Hey guys, it's Zarina from Zara's Kitchen here, and I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate homemade chicken shawarmas. I've got 1 kilo of chicken thighs that are boned and skinned, and I'm going to add a ton of spices. We've got cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, cumin powder, cinnamon powder, coriander powder, some shawarma spice mix. I've got lemon juice, olive oil, crushed garlic, salt and pepper. Give that all a really good mix. Next up, we've got a gorgeous tahini sauce which goes so beautifully with chicken shawarmas. It's an easy one to make. Mix together tahini paste, lemon juice, garlic, salt, ground cumin, olive oil, and gradually stir in the water until you get the perfect consistency. This recipe works both ways. You can cook on the rotisserie barbecue or in the oven. Make sure that you're threading the chicken pieces onto the middle of either the rotisserie attachment or the skewer, packing them really close together and rotating each one 90 degrees for even cooking. Once you've got the barbecue or the oven fired up and ready to go, get that chicken on and cook it for about an hour and a half or until the internal temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius or about 170 degrees Fahrenheit. The outside of the chicken will char up beautifully and will get cooked before the inside does. So carve off slices and then serve in hot flatbreads with that beautiful tahini sauce, some tzatziki sauce, a drizzle of chili sauce, and all your favorite accompaniments. Enjoy!